Good morning, everybody. Today is Monday, November the 18th. We're outside of Phoenix Orange Beach 2 to get a progress report on construction. Let's go have a look. We're standing in a unit on the 26th floor. I wanted to show you that sheetrock has now been hung. And now we're going to go see what's happening on some of the other floors. And now we're in a unit on the 25th floor where sheetrock has been hung, and now they're beginning finishing the sheetrock as we're taking a look at the ceiling. Now we're on a unit on the 24th floor, showing you how they're finishing off the sheetrock. Here we are in the lobby of the 23rd floor. Installation has been installed, and soon they'll be adding the drywall. And now we're in a unit on the 21st floor where the trim carpenters have installed doors, trim, and baseboards. And texture has been applied to the sheetrock. This is a corner unit on the 20th floor where the first coat of paint has been applied. Trim has also been finished. Tile is being laid on the floors on the 19th floor. Tile flooring has been installed in all the units on the 18th floor. We're in a unit on the 17th floor where cabinets have been delivered and are waiting to be installed. We're in a unit on the 14th floor where they're installing the cabinets in the unit right now. On the 12th floor here at Phoenix Orange Beach 2, granite countertops have been installed. They've also begun to install plumbing as well. This is a unit on the 7th floor. As you can see, electrical outlets, lighting has been installed. Tile backsplash, granite countertops, cabinets. And here's our lazy river at Phoenix Orange Beach 2. Look at that view. Well, that's going to wrap things up for our construction update today from Phoenix Orange Beach 2. For additional information, please check out our website at brettrobinson.com. or call our sales office at 800-221-6180. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.